Many PCMs appear to be exactly the same on the outside, same size box and connectors, but may be wired or calibrated differently on the inside. If the wrong PCM is installed in a vehicle, it might run, but probably not very well. So how do you choose the right PCM for your car? Correctly identifying the power control module requires the vehicle make, model year, and engine size, as well as the OEM part number on the PCM itself. Most suppliers catalog lists replacement PCMs both ways, so if in doubt, always refer to the OEM number on the PCM and look it up in the supplier's cross-reference index to find the replacement part number. It is very important to make sure that you get these numbers right, otherwise your car will not run at optimal performance. Luckily, even if you are replacing your PCM yourself, you're not alone. At CarComputerExchange.com, we make it simple for you. With our online computer finder tool, all you have to do is put in your car's make, model, and year, and then choose from the different compatible PCMs. After purchasing, we will get your VIN number and mileage so we can then program the module to suit your car exactly. When it comes to choosing the correct PCM for your car, we'll do the work for you. Learn more at CarComputerExchange.com.